we're driving along Cabaguio Street, done with changing of park lights. Marami pala ditong mga repair shops, no? If you're in Davao City, so you want some na mga car accessories, no? Mga repairs, tinting. Dito pala yung Southern Banawi nila. Yung nauna kasi dito is owned by parang Yang Maranao. Siya yung nauna. Maganda din yung positioning niya eh. So we're going back to Red Planet. So we're still driving along. Dami, no? More than mga 20 shops makita ko dito.
In 200 meters, turn right after Rosevere Pawn Shop, on the right onto Dong Maharlika Highway, JP. Laurel Avenue.
Okay, so we're turning right, JP Laurel. Dahan tayo dito. Turn right.
Take the next right after Rosevere Pawn Shop, on the right onto Dong Maharlika Highway, JP. Laurel Avenue.
So this is itong Rosevere Pawn Shop, no, owned by my family of my classmate, no, in elementary. I think may binili ng bigger na investor, so they have a lot of branches. So Rosevere Pawn Shop. Then I think yung sa unahan is parang kanila, parang Davao Provincial Hospital. No, so the intersection in front is JP Laurel. So you turn right, papuntang SM Lanang yan. No, yung right side. So as you can see, no, Davao is starting to be very congested na rin, no? Unlike before, minimum 10 to 20 years ago. Ngayon, you have a lot of mga traffic lights. So it will take a lot of time if you go from one destination to another. Galing tayong Rizal Street kanina, no, that's medyo right sa center near yung Claro M Recto. Nagpabalik tayo dito via Cabaguio going SM SM Lanang. So they have 2 SM in Davao. You have SM Ecolan, then yung SM yung Lanang. Yung mga convention area is nasa SM Lanang. So we'll be turning right here, along JP Laurel or this is Daang Maharlika nila eh. Turning right here. Tingnan natin kung hinuli. Okay.
In 300 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Destination natin is on the left. Itong Red Planet kasi formerly this is Tune Hotel, no? So favorite na hotel namin to ever since. Dahil clean, mura, mabilis yung wifi. Very important consideration, especially for us na mga parang yung profession natin, para tayong digital nomads na rin. Okay, tingnan natin.
Your destination is on the left.
Destination is on the left pala. Sorry. Ito pala, we're going here. Destination is on the left. Red Planet. Arrive. Okay. Here.